3, 2, 1.
The Dead Sea is part of the Great Rift Valley. How far does this valley extend in length? The answer is B, 3,700 miles. Which city/village is the official birthplace of Memorial Day? The answer is C, Waterloo, New York. What is the longest train in the world? The answer is A, Trans-Siberian Railway. In the hit TV show Monk, Adrian Monk's upstairs neighbor is Kevin Dorfman. Which is not true about Kevin? The answer is C, his hobby is horseback riding. Who played the role of Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter series? The answer is A, Emma Watson. What moves every second but is never in motion? The answer is A, time. The Great Wall of China can be found in which sea? The answer is A, Pacific. Longest river in Asia is? The answer is C, Danube. Which of these are considered the two developers of the modern calculus? The answer is C, Newton and Leibniz. What unit is used in the metric system for measuring time? The answer is A, the second. Which president was an elevator operator in his young years? The answer is C, Lyndon Johnson. Which language was developed by Facebook for web development? The answer is B, Python. Letter from Birmingham Jail, an open letter by Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr. was first published in which of the following political magazines? The answer is C, The New Leader. Nevada is much drier than regions in California that are at the same latitude. Compared to these regions in California, which feature of Nevada contributes most to this dry climate? The answer is A, mountain ranges to the west. Tony Smith won the 200-meter dash in the 1968 Olympics. In that same year, John Carlos came in third in that event. Why were Carlos and Smith banned from the Olympic Games? The answer is A, they made a political gesture on the medal stage. At one point in the novel The Catcher in the Rye, Holden and his sister Phoebe seem to exchange roles as the catcher and the fallen. What is the catcher's symbol that Holden gives Phoebe? The answer is B, his hunting hat. Which of the following has a warmer average surface temperature than Earth? The answer is D, Venus. Who developed the Maxwell's equations? The answer is C, James Clerk Maxwell. What is the merchant's real name in the video game Resident Evil 4? The answer is A, it is not mentioned. Which leader's rule of the People's Republic of China began in 2002? The answer is B. Hu Jintao. What is the scientific term for climates with the least moisture? The answer is D. Arid. Metabolic cooperation between different prokaryotic species often occurs in surface-floating colonies. What are these colonies called? The answer is D. Biofilms. What year was George Carlin born? The answer is B. 1937. Who played Batman in Batman Begins?
The answer is A. Christian Bale.
What is the sequel to Portal? The answer is A. Portal 2. Some events on Earth happen instantly, while others take thousands of years to occur. Which process takes the longest time to complete? The answer is C. Weathering of a rock to form small rocks and sand. You can produce what by burning natural gas? The answer is B. A warmer room. What phobia is described as fear of marriage? The answer is C. Gamophobia. Seattle, Washington, is regarded as the birthplace of what style of music? The answer is C. Grunge. Which language has the oldest recorded form? The answer is B. Sanskrit. What types of orbits do comets usually have? The answer is C. Elliptical. Jimbo, from TV series South Park, is the uncle of which character? The answer is A. Stan. Who developed the theory of cognitive structures? The answer is D. Vygotsky. Which area contains few organisms? The answer is B. South Pole. Which hurricane hit the United States in 2017, causing massive destruction? The answer is B. Hurricane Irma. What was the first movie in which Butterfly McQueen appeared? The answer is C. The Women. Porphyra are parazoans that exhibit simple organization and lack true what? The answer is C. Tissues. Which movie won the most Oscars ever? The answer is D. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. Who sings like a virgin? The answer is A. Madonna. Which of these Robert Altman films was not released in 1970s? The answer is A. Popeye. What was the name of the mythical hero king who slew Grendel? The answer is B. Beowulf. What is the name of the Romanian region that is known for vampire legends? The answer is A. Transylvania. What cannot be seen, touched, or heard but is present everywhere? The answer is A. Space. What instrument does Stevie Wonder play with his mouth? The answer is C. Harmonica. At the auction on the first season of Project Runway, Coruscant's Envy dress had bids that totaled approximately how much? The answer is D. $400. Which Greek hero was sentenced to live as a swine by Hera and later redeemed? The answer is B. Hercules. Which of the following women was not a wife of King Henry Roman VIII of England? The answer is B. Anne Hathaway. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? The answer is D. Vitamin K. Which of these paintings by Leonardo da Vinci is considered his last, finished in 1513–1516? The answer is D. St. John the Baptist. What can often be used to measure distance?